Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Noisebox Research. Today I'm going to tell you about a little hack that I discovered through experimentation having to do with the Blue Yeti microphone. Now, the Blue Yeti microphone is really popular because it's USB and you can record directly into a computer just using a USB cable. It's really popular with ASMR artists because it's a condenser microphone and it just sounds really good. So what I'm going to show you today that's really cool is a way that you can record this microphone without using computer software. So in other words, I'll show you how to record it just using the headphone out into an external recorder like the Zoom or the Tascam. And the way we'll do that is by powering the Blue Yeti microphone with a class compliant tablet, which is just an old Chromebook of mine that I had lying around. So technically you do need a computer to power the device, but you don't need like audio recording software. So that's the hack. And a lot of people have, old Chromebooks lying around anyways. So, and you'll also need a 3.5 millimeter to stereo 1/4 inch cable to go from the Blue Yeti into your recorder. And you will also need a USB cable to power the microphone into your Chromebook. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'm going to pan away just so I can show you exactly how to set all this up. Thanks for watching. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of my gear laid out that I'm going to be using. I have my Chromebook here, my recorder, my microphone, my cables, and headphones to monitor, which the headphones will be going into the Zoom. So this is how it works. All you have to do is plug in the Blue Yeti like so into the port, and you plug this into the Chromebook. And here's a little hack about the Chromebook. I actually have it running on a long YouTube video so that the microphone doesn't shut off. Because if you just plug it into, it's like a Chromebook or something that's like a battery saving device, it might shut off. So my little hack is just to put like a longer video playing so that the mic will stay on. And you know that the mic's on when the button is red. Okay, so next order of business, what we do is we plug in the, let me see if you can see it, the headphone jack. So you plug the cable into the headphone jack. And let me try and keep my cables organized for y'all so I don't confuse anyone. And Then what you do is you plug in your Zoom recorder from the Blue Yeti headphone into your Zoom. And yeah, that's how that works. And I have it set to 1 and 2. And what you'll want to do, what controls the volume of the Blue Yeti in this case is the volume knob. So you want to turn the gain up quite a bit. I mean, it doesn't have to be all the way up, but it's this volume, headphone volume knob is what's controlling the input volume or the output volume of the Blue Yeti. This gain knob, actually, I don't know if this is controlling anything in this case, but I think it is. Oh yeah, it is. It's controlling the input just like normal. So, and then this is controlling the output. So, and as you can see, if you test, do you see those little green indicators? That means that my microphone is being received by the Zoom. So, which is really exciting. And if you want to monitor what's coming out of the Zoom, all you gotta do is plug in some headphones. So we plug in our headphones, and let's do a little test. Can I hear what's coming out? Check, check, check. Yes, I can hear it. Awesome. How exciting. Okay. So, and then if you want to record it, all you got to do is press your record button, and you're good to go. And if you wanted to get a little wild and crazy, you could run these into like delay pedals or reverb pedals or anything like that before going into the Zoom. So you could record this with some headphones or with some audio effects, which would be really cool. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, ciao.